Hey, what's up, y'all? Oops, almost dropped my phone. Alright, I'm back with another video, and as you can see, there's 80 of these, well, 40 lunchbox, and there's also 40 carrier pets. Now, what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna unbox all of them. Hopefully, I got some storage enough to, for this whole video. First, yeah, okay. No, alright, here we go. Let's start unboxing, shall we? I want to see what the timer is. Alright. Yeah. Okay, first one of the day. Okay. 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 Not bad. Ooh, what is it? What is it? Oh, okay. Better than nothing. How's it 78? It should be 79. Oh, wait. No, never mind. Ooh. Okay. Ooh, what is it? What is it? What is it? Oh well. Okay, not bad. Water. Please be a legendary person. Ugh. I wonder if I'm gonna get a legendary person in this. I'm pretty sure I should. Oh. Okay, that's new. To me, at least. Not bad. Not bad. Okay. Okay. Ooh. Okay, let's let's try to go for a pet this time. What is this? Okay, not bad. That's not bad. What are you? Ooh. Okay, not bad. Crafting time. You know what? I'm gonna actually make it to about like, let's say at least maybe half, and then I'm gonna make a part 2. Okay, guys. If we can at least, and I mean at least, get at least 100 likes on this, then there's gonna be a part 2. Also feel free to subscribe. I usually do Roblox videos, like a lot. I'm thinking also doing a Minecraft videos. Ooh, this looks legendary. Oh well. But yeah. Crafting time. Ooh, that's a lot. Mysterious man, indeed. Oh, I already know you are Stranger Things. Yep. Very interesting. Ooh. Oh, 6 plus damage. I already know that. Yep. I think you do Wasteland. Nope. Ooh. Oh my. Alright, let's go back to this one right here. Ooh. Okay. Ooh, what is it? What is it? Oh. Ooh. Not bad. Not bad. Okay. Thunderglue. Okay, I mean, that's something. Okay. Okay. Ooh. I actually needed that. Oh, okay, bet. Bet. Okay, not bad. Not bad. Ooh. That's legendary too? Dang. I wish I can get a legendary weapon and clothes. Whatchamacallit? Blueprint. That'd be nice. Okay, not bad. Mark you. Okay. Okay. That's cool. That's cool. Ooh, Nuka-Cola. 5, okay. Okay. I mean, I used to get them a lot, but okay. Ooh. How about you there? Nope. Eh. Nope. I'm gonna sell those. Man, this is getting junk. Stuff I don't need. And, I already, well, no, actually I don't have her. Okay. Not bad. Okay. Let's just do this. What you gonna get me? What you gonna get me? Yeah. Ooh, I don't know who you are. Oh my. Oh my. Okay. Oh. Not bad. Okay. Poodle. Yep. I already have that. Ah, same one. Yeah. 5. Wonderful. Okay. It's not bad. Okay. Country girl. Okay. Ooh. I already have her. Okay, not bad, not bad. Ooh. Now I'm thinking of doing another giveaway on islands on Roblox. I don't know. I'm thinking of like a 1 million giveaway, but that's only if can get at least, I mean at least 50 more subscribers. Oh crap! I went past it. At least you guys get a freebies. All right. Well, thanks so much, guys, for staying. Those who did. Yeah. But the rest will be in part 2. Hope you guys like this video, and yeah, I'm also gonna put down my new Discord server in the in the description, otherwise in the comments. But yeah, hope you guys have a good day, and yeah. All right, well, peace and have a good day.